Hi students, you all might have given exams properly. Today we are starting our next phylum of the chapter, that is phylum Annelida. They are aquatic animals, means either they stay in the salty water, means marine, or fresh water. They have organ system level of organization, means cell convert into tissue, tissue into organ, and organ into organ system. Bilateral symmetry, triploblastic, we are aware about these forms. Metamerically segmented, means in these animals body has presence of particular segments and these are known as metamers. They have presence of coelom, that is body cavity, so they are known as coelomate animals. They have presence of little rings on the body, they are known as annulus. They have presence of longitudinal and circular muscles which help in locomotion. Particular annelids like nidis, they possesses lateral appendages, means particular appendages which are present on the side of the body, and they are known as the parapodia. They help in swimming. Meaning of parapodia means podia means legs and para means all around the body. So these are the legs which are present all around the body. Closed circulatory system means blood start flowing from heart to artery, veins, capillaries, again to heart. Particular organ, nephridia. They help in the osmoregulation and excretion. Osmoregulation means osmotic balance of body outside the body and inside the body. Neural system consists of particular structure, they are known as the ganglia. They are paired and they are connected by lateral nerves to double ventral nerve cord. Nidis is dioecious, but earthworm and leeches are monoecious. Monoecious means both the sexes are present in same organism. Dioecious means both the sexes are present in different organisms. Sexual reproduction takes place. Now here you can see this is nidis and this is hirudinaria. This is leech. It is also known as hirudin. Speciality of this organism is that it is dependent on the blood of human. It sucks the blood of the human. Once if it sits on the body, it is sticking on the human body and slowly it will start taking blood, and when it will take the entire blood of the body, it will be complete swelled up. Initially it is very small and human body is entirely shrinked because entire blood is sucked out by the hirudin. Its common name is leech also. Now phylum Arthropoda means jointed legs or joint legs. Multicellular, bilateral symmetry, metamerically segmented. Body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. And sometimes body is divided into two regions, that is head and thorax together. This is known as the cephalothorax and abdomen. Cephalo means head, thorax. Exoskeleton is made up of cuticle and sometimes calcium carbonate also, which is secreted by epidermis. Presence of true coelom means it is filled with blood. Absence of cilia. Complete alimentary canal means presence of mouth as well as anus. Respiratory organ like book lungs, gills or air tube. Book lungs means these type of lungs are in the form of the open book only. Gills, we are aware. Air tubes, particular type of structures for respiration. They are known as trachea. Open circulatory system. Blood is moving in the open spaces. Excretion by Malpighian tubules. Sexes are separate. Internal fertilization. This fusion of the gametes takes place inside the body of the female. Oviparous and viviparous, either they give the ova or they give direct birth to young one. When they give ova, they are known as the oviparous. When they give birth to young one directly, they are known as viviparous. Terrestrial or aquatic, free living or parasitic, largest phylum, jointed legs. Particular type of sensory organs, they are known as the antenna or compound eye. Compound eye is the organ which is present in insect and crustacea, and it has presence of thousands of ommatidia, and which are photoreceptor units which consist of cornea, lens and photoreceptor cells. On the other hand, a simple eye refers to a form of eye or an optical arrangement which is composed of a single lens and without an elaborated retina, such as occurs in most vertebrate. Balancing organ are present, they are known as statocyst. Development direct or indirect. Direct means absence of larva, indirect means presence of larva. Organ system level of organization, from 2/3 species 1/3 are arthropods. Body is converted with chitinous exoskeleton, means exoskeleton is made up of chitin. Example, butterfly, scorpion, locust or prawn. You can see locust, butterfly, scorpion and prawn. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.